Along with the Human Genome Project, there have been several large-scale projects to sequence a multitude of different tumors. And one of these large projects, called the Cancer Genome Atlas, has identified in a number of cancers, particularly acute myeloid leukemia, a group of proteins known as the cohesin group that are mutated recurrently in acute myeloid leukemia, also in Ewing sarcoma, bladder cancer, and several other cancers. When Nixon said we're going to start the war on cancer in 1971, I think in a way that the spirit was right, but when we think about cancer now, it's not one disease. And it's not even just breast cancer versus colon cancer anymore. It's really looking at the specific genetic nuances of every particular tumor. And so we're not going to treat all lung cancer the same. We're not even going to treat all non-small cell lung cancer the same, but we're going to treat somebody who has an EGFR mutation or an ALK mutation or a ROS1 mutation as completely discrete and different tumors from one another. My junior year of undergraduate studies, I was actually diagnosed with acute lymphoblastic leukemia. But if the science wasn't up to that point when I was treated, there's no way I would have had any chance. And if it wasn't for those who came before me, who did the science to come up with the drug regimens and ultimately the bone marrow transplant that I needed, I wouldn't be here today. So I am grateful to those who came before me, and if there's something that I can do to advance the science for the next people out there who unfortunately have to face this disease until we can ultimately cure it, I want to be able to do it. It's us at this point in time who are most vulnerable, because if we don't have the support to continue our work and eventually have enough of a body of work to submit for independent grants, then we have no chance. The Damon Runyon Foundation has been really a tremendous group and very supportive and very much like a family. I mentioned often that my wife and I just had a baby not too long ago, and 2 weeks after she shows up, in the mail is a handwritten note congratulating my wife and I, and a onesie that says "Future Damon Runyon Scientist." So I mean, there's a lot of foundations out there, but not so many that are as close knit on a personal level, in addition to the science.